Welcome back to another video. Today we have a 6 and a 12 rapid charger deal. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Yes guys, this is not the best, not a smoking deal, but still a great deal. You're getting a 12, you're getting a 6, you're getting the rapid charger, so this is a good combination. This is probably one of the better combinations for the fuel tools or the bigger tools, tower lights, rocket lights. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. But yeah guys, $249, I think that's a really good deal. Definitely check it out. I'll leave the link down below in the description section of this video. As it reads right here, I'm just going to read it. Father's Day ends in 1 day, so this is today only. M18 18 volts lithium ion high output battery pack, 12 amp hour and rapid charger starter kit with the free 6 amp hour battery by Milwaukee. So then again, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.